Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Therese Bacon, Financial Education Specialist. I'm glad that you could join us this evening for tonight's FinTech Spotlight featuring Members Mobile. Stay connected is part of everyday life, but mobile service can learn more about how Members Mobile works, the different be able to save or earn cash by connecting their mobile service with their MSUFCU account. Our presenters will be covering quite a bit of information tonight, so to help us stay on schedule, we'll save questions for the Q&A portion at the end of the presentation. But please feel free to submit those questions at any time throughout the presentation using that Q&A feature at the bottom of your Zoom screen, and then we'll go ahead and address those once they conclude. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and turn things over to our Members Mobile team and get us started.
Thank you, Therese. My name is Gary Brandt. I'm one of the co-founders and chairman of Members Mobile, and I'm joined by Doc Schufeld, head of operations, and Greg Post, head of sales. Go ahead, Doc. So Members Mobile is a full 4G, 5G premium mobile network in the US, and we have partnered with MSUFCU to develop a bundle offer of mobile phone service along with the trust of your credit union. So one of our taglines is "You belong here." We're very mindful of the relationship that the credit union has developed with its member base, where members are treated as owners. And we're bringing that mindset in terms of creating the "You belong here" type environment for members of Members Mobile. Next slide. So this is a full nationwide U.S. mobile phone service. Think of Mint Mobile, if you're familiar with that company. We lease capacity on the big carriers and repackage that capacity for affordable mobile phone service for certain segments. In this case, we've partnered with the credit union community. MSUFCU has been one of our founding partners and helped us develop those bundles. And the real key message here is, if you don't trust big banks, why are you trusting the big mobile phone carriers? The prices are high for the services they provide, and we're able to bring affordable mobile phone service to the MSUFCU members, allow you to save money, stay connected, and work with the credit union that you already trust. So why does an alternate mobile phone service benefit members? Well, the first one is savings. This is a critical utility for members. We recognize that everybody needs a smartphone and mobile phone service, and the average price that most consumers are spending on their mobile phone bill is over $140 a month. This includes, in many cases, their leasing of a phone or financing of a phone, but it's a steep bill for every single month. It's over $1,000 a year. And when we surveyed the members, 66% of members could save over $300 a year, and 43% could save over $540 a year. So split the difference there, and the bulk, over the majority of customers, could save over $500 a year. This is not an insignificant amount in today's day and age, where folks are looking for anything to help bridge the affordability gap. So why Members Mobile? Why is this considered a better bundle? Bundling with your credit union? Well, the first one is the savings. So saving hundreds of dollars per year in your mobile phone service on the same premium networks. Existing members will also get a $5 cash share back for paying their monthly phone bill using their credit union account. And the network. These are premium services using the full 4G, 5G networks that are offered by the big carriers. In our particular case, we're using T-Mobile's network. And you get full, reliable talk, text, and 4G, 5G data. We respect the fact that the credit unions have developed this relationship with its members. And we've come to this offering white glove service. So every member is treated as a very important member, or VIM. A little bit of a play on the words. I don't know how familiar you are with the the term SIM card, but that's the small computer chip inside the smartphone that gives it all of its functionality. Well, we're naming it a VIM card in our particular case for very important members. And we bring that mindset to bear for everything that we do on the customer support area as well. We love the community environment of the credit unions, and we're offering up tremendous referral bonuses for bringing any of your friends or family members along with you as you subscribe for service. So refer any colleague or friend or family member through our app, and you'll earn $100 for each new joiner to the program. The full speed data, many of the carriers out there today have a lot of fine print, and the truth of the matter is they throttle you after a certain number of gigabits of data use. And if you've ever had that experience, it can be pretty jarring. So we're offering a no throttling type environment where it's all full speed data. And the way we protect you for that full speed data, depending on the plan that you choose, is we provide a data safety net. So if you choose, our 5 gigabit plan, we'll provide a 5 gigabit data safety net so that any unused data in a particular month can be carried forward as part of your safety net. And in fact, when we come to market, we actually offer you or provide for you a gift of a full data safety net already filled in, so that you don't have to wait till you accumulate some. So it's very much like in the credit union environment, a safety net for credit overdrafts. We're providing you a data overdraft capability. And the terms, it's members friendly phone service. It's easy to switch. There's no contract, no hidden catches or fees, and transparent pricing plans. Next one. So we're coming to market with 3 plans, a Fast 5, Fast 15, and Fast 30. So the Fast indicating all fast speed data, and the 5, 15, and 30 represents the number of gigabits. The average consumer in the United States uses between 10 and 13 gigabits per month. Some of your younger users, would consume a little bit more, and some of your older users a little bit less, generally speaking. We provide a $5 cash shareback for connecting your credit union account. And so the net prices there are $15, $30, and $45 a month. So compare that to what you're spending today. You're likely, going to save, $30, $40, $50 a month, and hence the net annual savings of hundreds of dollars per year. The data safety net, as I hinted at before, we'll fill that data safety net right out of the gate when you sign up, and give you the full 10 gigabits, 30 gigabits, or 60 gigabits of inventory data. So you'll have that already out of the gate. Next slide. It's extremely easy to activate service. So through our app or on our website, you can sign up for your plan, pick your plan. Ultimately, you have to download the app to enable the service. But you can bring your own phone, keep your existing number. Most phones nowadays are compatible with all the networks, but we can check the compatibility of your existing phone. And porting, if you want to bring your number, porting that number just takes a few clicks, and our customer care team will help you if you have any issues with trying to port your number. You can activate in minutes. And nowadays, with most of the new smartphones, it has an eSIM in it. It doesn't require you ordering a physical SIM card and taking a paper clip and swapping it out. That eSIM can be transitioned and enabled within minutes. And you can start earning benefits, not just the savings from switching from the previous carrier, but you can get cash sharebacks every single month paid into your MSUFCU account. Simple message today is 3 things we want you to walk away with from this webinar with. This is a premium nationwide mobile service. It's the same towers that T-Mobile's using, and we've leased capacity. We have preferential rates with them that we can put bundled packages together. And MSUFCU has been involved from the beginning with us as a founding partner, helping to develop the perfect bundles. And develop products which will be appealing to the membership base. Affordability is a key thread here. You can save, $500 or more a year, and also get a minimum of $60 a year in cash sharebacks paid right into your MSU FCU account. And there's an opportunity to get more value from the relationship, the trusted relationship you already have with your credit union. And you don't trust big banks. Why trust those big mobile carriers? Let's switch now to a mobile service that's been vetted by MSUFCU and saves you money immediately. Doc?
And this is where that promise really, the rubber meets the road. So my responsibility is to deliver on that VIM support. As Gary mentioned, we take not only the responsibility of supporting our own subscribers seriously, but I take very seriously the responsibility of representing the credit union and ensuring that that trust relationship is maintained. And so I'm here to put a face to the service. And if you ever have any problems, then there's only one guy that you have to go to. We're easily available. We have chat. So we have friendly, knowledgeable, trained agents who are well aware of MSUFCU, ready to chat. We have an inbound telephone number that you're welcome to call, listed here. It's also prominent on the website. You can also reach out to us and ask for a callback. So sometimes, even though we don't have IVRs or wait lists, if you're ready to talk to someone, but you know you need a few minutes before you get home or whatever it is, we'll give you a call right back on schedule. And then we have 24/7 digital support. We have a number of FAQ covering all elements of the business. We have videos. Our help center is prominent on the website as well. And we are in the process of rolling out Nifty, which is our chatbot, which can help guide you through some typical scenarios that you run into. And as Gary mentioned, we know that mobile carriers are not exactly known for their stellar customer support and customer centricity. We're here to turn that on its head. And so if there's any issues in activation, we're here. On porting, we are happy to hop on a call with you and your prior carrier to help everything move slowly or move smoothly through the process. And we look forward to helping. We enjoy it. We have folks that love to help, and we're here for you whenever you need us. So right now you can go to membersmobile.com. We have the QR code up in the corner. We asked, download the app, try it out, um, sign up for service, give us that opportunity. We think we can prove all the things we've said here today. And as we mentioned, we have a first 100 activate, you get 100% deposited into that linked account. So very excited to be able to provide even additional benefit, additional cash back to early adopters that want to jump in and give us a shot. And here you can follow us. We're across all the social platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. You can find us everywhere. So we'd love it if you went, gave us a follow. Feel free to leave a comment. We love to engage, and someone will hop in there and talk back to you. So yeah, we would love for you to come and follow us, be involved, help us build this thing, and hopefully get a lot of momentum with MSUFCU folks. And I believe I turn it back to Therese.
Yes, thank you very much. And sorry about that. I was having some technical difficulties, I think, with my own internet. Speaking of services, so I'm sorry if I was cutting out there, but yes, we did have a couple of questions come through. So thanks for sharing that information. And I did actually put the link for more information into the chat. So if you all want to click on that, it'll bring you to the MSUFCU members mobile landing page where you can get more information, sign up, all of those things. So one question we had here is the rollover cumulative, or is there a max out where it gets maxed out at any point from those rollovers month to month?
Yeah, great question. So depending on your plan, you can roll over. If you're on the Fast 5 plan, you can roll over up to 5 gigabits. If you're on the Fast 15, you can roll over up to 15 gigabits. And if you're on the Fast 30, you can roll over up to 30 gigabits and have it in reserve. And certainly, if we notice that you're getting close on any of your limits, we'll provide the appropriate notices and make sure that you have extra data available so that you don't get stuck.
Okay, great. And then someone said, is the network active now?
It is. We launched at the end of June, and so we're up and running. We have customers and full customer support ready for you.
Great. All right. Well, let's see if any other questions have popped through in the meantime. I don't think so. So yeah, I just want to thank everyone here at the Members Mobile team for being here and presenting on this tonight, sharing this really important information with our membership, kind of giving that closer look at all the services and benefits that are available as an MSUFCU member here. So yeah, really, really good stuff. And we hope that you all will check it out and tell your other friends that are MSUFCU members how they can possibly save a few bucks too. So, and once again, I just want to let everyone know that we will put this recorded session up on our YouTube channel as well if you want to go back and get any other information or share with friends. And then also when you close out of the Zoom this evening, there'll just be a quick survey that pops up. It's just a couple questions so that we can consider your feedback and for future sessions and things like that. But we all hope to see you at another seminar series event soon, and go ahead and check out Members Mobile as soon as you can. So
Therese,
thank you to Doc and Gary and Greg. Yes, thanks for being here, and we'll see y'all soon. Have a good night, everyone.
Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Night.
Bye for now.
Bye.